How to add promotion on LinkedIn. So all you have to do is to open the application now. Next is you're gonna have to go to your profile. So to do that, on the upper left, you'll see your profile icon. Click on that and tap on view profile. Now to be able to add promotion special in your experience, to add experience is here it will redirect you to your profile, right? All you have to do is to scroll a little bit up until you see the experience part. Now, to be able to add the promotion, all you have to do is to click on the plus sign icon there and tap on add position. Now, here you will be promoting your new experience, right? To have a better LinkedIn profile. So, all you have to do is to just, and here you're going to set up the date here, say, and then click on end current position as of now. It's sales and marketing specialist at Amazon. So put a tick mark there, and all you have to do after that is to click on save. Now once you click on save, as you can see, it will look like this, right? Now this will be your promotion. So position is now added. So next is to share this and update with your network. So all you have to do is to click on post here. Then tap on, did you find this job on LinkedIn? This information will be improved LinkedIn job. Say no. Tap on say. So basically, let's just refresh this. If you go back here to your experience, as you can see here, you have now the new promotion of experience under experience as an accountant on that specific information that you have input there. And basically that is it. That's how you add promotion on LinkedIn, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.